Should you reserve the S24 Ultra or the Plus or the regular? And I think the answer is yes. And well, if you're in the market for buying a phone, if not, then don't worry about it. But they do have a deal going on right now, and I have a link in the description where if you go and reserve your pre-order, then you can get basically a free $50 credit if you decide to go follow through and pre-order from Samsung. They do this every year. And I always tell people about this because if you're thinking about buying the S24 or the Plus or the Ultra, then you want extra money. So basically, you get 50 free dollars that you could put towards a case, a charger, whatever, anything extra on top of the phone whenever it comes out. So that does help there. But also, there are other reasons that I like to buy from Samsung. One, they have really good, easy trade-in process. And one thing a lot of people don't know about here is when you pre-order from them, they knock off the balance of your pre-order at the time you get charged. So let's say you get the phone. Let's say it's going to be $1,199. Let's say they're going to give you $800 for your phone. They take the $800 off and just charge you the balance, and then you have 2 weeks once you receive your phone to send the old one in. And I've been doing this for years and years, and it works really nice. It's not like with Apple where they charge you the full price up front and then they give you a credit. Or Google does the same thing. So that's one reason I really like buying from Samsung. But also you get exclusive colors. So every time they have these new phones come out, there's always exclusive colors that you can only get online. And if you want to have access to those more exotic or special or individual colors, then that's also another reason to buy from Samsung. Plus, they're giving you the 50 bucks. And usually they have the best trade-in values. Now, if you paid attention this last year, you know that the S22 Ultra did not have very good trade-in value for the S23. But there were some issues with that phone. So maybe it was a one-off, maybe it was the market. I don't know. But from what I've read, it seems like internally Samsung's really pushing the S24. They're getting out earlier this year. They're trying to, I think, increase sales by like 10%, which is quite a bit because that's like an extra million or two phones. So they're going to try and market this aggressively. And I think this is a good opportunity to, one, get some free cash in your pocket. And all you have to do is go to the reserve your pre-order page. Now, this isn't like, okay, you reserve it and then because they're going to run out. They don't really run out. But they give you this period where you can go to the link. Like I said, I have it in the description. All you have to do is put in your first name, your last name, and your email. And that will reserve your pre-order. That will reserve that free $50 credit that you're going to get. I think it's worthwhile. So this is if you're looking to get one, or if you think you might get one. So I know some people are like, look, I'm absolutely not getting this. I've seen in the comments already. I've got the S22 Ultra. I'm not upgrading until the S25. I bought the S23 this last year. I don't need to get the S24. Those situations make a lot of sense. You don't need to reserve one because, well, quite frankly, you're not going to buy one. But if you waited out this last year, if you managed not to get an S23, if you're just itching to upgrade, but you wanted to wait on the horizon to see what the AI has to offer, to see what the S24 has to offer, well, this is time. And this way you can get the extra 50 bucks on top of it. Like I said, if you're thinking about doing it anyway, why not get the extra $50 of credit? And then, of course, the other nice thing you can do is they have their Samsung Care. And historically, they offer discounts on that. I can't guarantee they're going to, but the last couple of times, even with like the Z Fold 5 and the Z Flip 5 recently, they gave like half off as a launch deal. And that was available through Samsung. So Samsung likes to really be aggressive with this stuff, give you extras, give you freebies, give you incentives. And like I said, you can order the phone and then you send the phone in that you have to trade in once it gets there, but you don't have to pay all that money up front. I like that a lot. I like that, let's say I'm going to trade in my S23 Ultra towards the S24 Ultra. Maybe I got to come out of pocket like $300 or $400 instead of having to pay that $11.99 and then wait for them to send it back to me. So those are just some incentives if you want to get it from Samsung, but also you can capitalize and take advantage of that free 50 bucks and all the other stuff. So I highly recommend it if you're in the market. Again, if you're not in the market, this is not a sales ad. This is not a way for me to try and convince you to buy a phone. That's your choice. I'm just trying to let you know, line it up and say, look, if you think you're going to buy one, go ahead and go put your name and your email in, and then you can knock it out of the park, and then you can get it, and you can get the extra freebies. But if you don't want to buy, there's no obligation. No credit card information, no debit card, no sign up for anything. You just have to put your first name, last name, email. That's it. You can put your phone number in, which is optional. I don't recommend it because last thing I want is somebody else having my number to send me some sort of garbage in a text message or a robocall. So maybe don't do that, but that's not required. So anyway, I just wanted to talk about this real quick. A lot of people don't know what the Reserve Your Pre-Order campaign is. The reservation period is now. Then once the event gets here on January the 17th, it will officially launch. Then you have the pre-order window. And usually it comes out about a week or two after the pre-order period. So when it announces and then you pre-order it, that's when you get that opportunity to get the extra credit, and then it'll show up on the actual launch date. So let's say the announcement date's January 17th, maybe it comes out January 29th, January 27th, something like that. So it'll be right towards the end of the month, and then that's when you'll get it. So you've got that opportunity time period to think about it while it's on pre-order, and you can make a decision. And that's a good thing too, because you'll start to see a lot of the reviews and things like that trickle out. So that way you can get that confirmation and go, okay, this phone is good, let me order it. This phone is not that great, I'll hold on to what I have now. So it gives you some flexibility and some options, but also there's still the availability to get like the freebies and stuff like that. So I just wanted to make this video, kind of explain what it all is, why it's beneficial, how there's basically no risk, no commitment, and then how it impacts you if you want to try and go ahead and pre-order a phone from them. So that's all I got in this video. I'm excited about the S24. I will be pre-ordering mine. I already did the reservation for my own pre-order. So I will be getting it, because I don't think Samsung's sending me one. So I will be buying the phones. And, well, I'll take any extra pennies I can get. So that's all I got. If you have any questions or comments, please go to the comment section. I'll do my best to get back with you. If you're excited about the phone, share it. Let's talk about it. If you enjoy this video, if you want to get some more information on the S24, S24 Ultra as they come out, I'll be covering at least the Ultra. Maybe the regular one too. I can see how many of these suckers I got to buy. But I will definitely be covering the Ultra, and you're in the right place for that. Hit the like, subscribe button, little notification bell, all that jazz. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching. I'll see you guys next time.